What's the easiest way to keep track of all my emails? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with receiving a new email in Gmail and then taking the contents of that email and adding a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor, and we're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new email in Gmail to Google Sheets. And we're going to click inside of the trigger box. And for our trigger app, we're going to select Gmail. And our event is going to be new email trigger. So anytime we receive any new email in Gmail, it's going to initiate this workflow. So click continue there. Make sure we're connected to our Gmail account. And then we're going to test this trigger. And we have an email here that we can use to build this workflow. So I'm going to click continue. For my action, I'm going to select Google Sheets. And the action is going to be create spreadsheet row. Make sure I'm connected to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select the specific spreadsheet that I want to add this email to. So this is going to be my emails received spreadsheet. This spreadsheet only has one worksheet. And then I'm going to click in this box that says row data and click on the add to button. And I'm going to select the individual columns of my spreadsheet and tell this workflow where to find the information. So our first column is going to be email address. So I'm going to click inside of this box and come down to our drop-down menu. And I'm going to find the email address of the sender. I'm going to click Add to again. The next column is going to be the subject. So the subject of the email, time off. Add to again. Column, content. So this is going to be where I put the message of the email. And then finally, we're going to have the time received, which is the date. So I built this spreadsheet specifically to receive emails in this way, and once we finish building our workflow, you'll get a chance to see that spreadsheet. So we have everything set up, so we'll go ahead and test this action. And we have a success. So I can come to the bottom and click continue. And then I can look over at my spreadsheet, and that email just was imported right now. So all the information about that email is put into this easy to read spreadsheet. And it looks like our workflow is working properly. So we can check and make sure there's a green dot in the upper left-hand corner of each one of our nodes. And then we can activate our workflow. And now every time we receive a new email, it will take that information and import it into a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automates creating a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets whenever you receive an email in Gmail. Please join our Workload community by commenting on this video. You can also like this video or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.